let's just do a form. Form is pretty easy. So this will take you over to the POWR editor. I'm not going to do a lot of changes to the app here just because I'm really wanting to show how we integrate with Big Cartel, but we'll change this over to a subscribe now. Real quick, of course, you can make adjustments to the form here. All of your settings are done from this tab. If you want to make some sort of payment, you can connect your Stripe or PayPal account directly to the app here. And then we have the different designs and controls here as well. All you have to do at this point is click on Publish, which will take you to the Publish page. I'm already set for Big Cartel. You can install on specific pages. You can install just on product pages or even to a custom location. For this, we'll just select the home page just to make it easy. And then you click Next, and we'll put it at the top and install. And that's it. That's the whole thing. This form is on the page now. You just click on View, and it'll take you to your Big Cartel store, and the form will show up right there. So that's it. It's really that simple. Use these tools as much as necessary. Big Cartel, it's a great website builder. Be sure and check it out. If you have any questions, let us know.